Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW diesel sport, finished in black. It's in lovely condition, bodywork's excellent. Got some sport wheels on there, 5-spoke alloys. So the boot area is in lovely condition. 116D. All our cars, I pictured a video outside because it's better light, but I kept inside our indoor showroom for viewing fit for any weather. So even with the sun, it's absolutely gleaming on there. No tax insurance, seats are in fantastic condition. Step inside the car, so you've got automatic headlights, satellite navigation, 6-speed gearbox, different driving styles, Sport, Eco, Pro. It's got media pack as well, DAB radio, Bluetooth, also a USB, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. It's done 55,302 miles. Great value for money. At DJH are full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.